Hello everybody, today I will guide you to create videos for Reels on Instagram super quickly in just 5 minutes. It's easy to use and you can repost this video to other platforms or upload them to your story to show off to your friends. Step 1. Open Instagram and select Reels to see other people's Reels. If this Reel has a sound you like, see if the Reel has a try button. This button is in the left corner of the screen, where I have circled. And then the pre-created template will appear and you just need to add the video available on your phone and press continue to publish it. In the next video, I'll show you how to find a template with the exact songs you like to insert your videos into. Especially when you click to the edit video button, you can choose exactly the part of the video you want to show. Yeah, and now you can share it on your Instagram. And now you can see my results.
Replace it. I gotta move on somehow.